Hello friends, welcome to Archit Stock Business News. Friends, so many days I suggesting stock for renewable energies and IT companies which works for automobile sector, and I am talking about utility sector. These three will the much uh, money generated things in going forward. And friends, already now so many our friends got good amount in Tata Exil, KPIT Technologies, Adani Green Energy, and Tata Power. So friends, it's like multifold returns. In Tata Power, 100% returns. In Adani Green Energy, from 350 to like today 1350, and Tata Exil, I think around 2000. Now it is around 4000. So these sectors will get good mobility and good what you call exchange of money happen in this sector. So if you see here, EV adoption gains movement not to impact traditional players immediately. So see here, apart from the shift in customers preference from IEC to EV for private use, so going forward they expect immediate shift on uh, commercial and share mobility space. So they kept example Ulu due to superior cost economics. So friends, if you are using like small distances, there we can use these type of EV vehicles, and see here, debit is shifting from when to how fast. And see here, today we are taking some key things which already players are shifting. So many domestic OEMs and startups like Anther, where Hero invested in this company, are indigenously developing and launching products like scooters, friends here. And next one is they are selling like mobility share space, means it's like a Vola, but they are working for logistics and like milk vendors. They give their vehicles. See, urban mobility access public and private mode of transport, which totally it works on electric vehicles. Yes, friends. If you observe here, if you go into this, you will see moving India towards a sustainable future. It is having like scooters and everything. They will give rents. See here, long term rentals and subscription based rentals and everything. I already mentioned, you don't buy like Tata Motors or any Maruti Suzuki's, those things. Invest in technologies and invest in copper, and whoever invest in aluminium, whoever build the product, but they need copper, aluminium, IT for electric mobility or anything. And I mentioned to buy Adani Green Energy and everything like other vehicles. So see here, if they give renters, why you need to buy a electric car by capturing 18 to 20 lakhs? It's high efficiency, high and people will buy those type of things. So if you observe here, like they said this yellow miracle. See, this is the scooter, electric one, which is, and enjoy a miraculous ride. So it's like urban. They gives like features a smart dog electric vehicle powered by state of art IoT. That means they will know where this one is moving. So I already mentioned like IoT will change the everything. They're charging like uh, it moves 25 kilometers per hour speed, max speed. So it like small distances, and they give rental like long term rentals also. So it is the main reason, friends. And if you see next one, which is their product like move. So see here, it's like cycle. So friends, I personally telling like, see, GPS, GPRS and Bluetooth, these technologies will come from KPIT technologies, Tata Exil and Mehip. I already mentioned like Mehip, which providing IT services for voice services for uh, this one, Tata Motors. See here, Mehi partners Hamran International to bring multi-language voice command tech in Tata Motor Cars. And if you see the company details, it has some good things to notice because of one of our latest pick got Mahip Limited. Mahip Limited, and so here, friends, if you observe here, it gives a good things in our like if you go and see the investors, see here. This is where we are also investing HELP, and if you observe it given some negative results. That's why now it is like somewhat on negative side. But I am thinking that when unlock happens, everything moves good. This stock will get good amount. See here, Swiggy, just Herman. This is Herman Tata Motors, and this is also one of the company which we are going to kept. And next one, see friends, what they are saying like EV penetration should be sooner in two and three wheelers. It's really while adoption may be gradual in passenger vehicles and M MK Globals. This is the what you called like fund house. They expects an increase in competition and margin pressure of incumbents in two wheelers and three wheelers over the next 2 to 3 years. Already, autos are converting into electric fins. Why? Because increase in diesel prices and there will be less amount of what you called uh, transport. Friends, if you need a petrol, you went here to petrol bunk. That is also consumption, right? There you lost. But if you want an electric one, in home you kept electric charging and you go and use that. You reduced the distance to go to petrol bunks and you get that. So why, what happens in coming days means the petrol will replaced by electric, so electricity prices will increase. So what we have to do is we have to invest in utilities like Adani Green Energy and what you call the Tata Power. These are the companies NTPC Power Grid Corporation. But my picks are Tata Power and next one is Adani Green Energy and Torrent Power. These three will be the on power sector, and there are a few more also like NTPC Power Grid Corporation, Adani Transmissions. Like there are also like those friends, but I mainly depending on utilities who are providing power like Adani Green Energy having good portfolio of renewable energies and Tata Power which giving buying discounts on other states and it providing Delhi, Mumbai and Orissa. So see Odisha and these things. And next one is government policies also are in right direction. And next one fame 2 like Volatra Green Tech. And if you observe today Volatra Green Tech got one of the order and it hit upper circuit. And if you observe here Volatra Green Tech, see, it hits upper circuit. Volatra Green Tech emerged as lowest bidder for supply of 100 EV buses. So friends, this is also a good one for passenger vehicles. So we are investing in this company. So friends, on an overall, I am telling you like we are going to invest in these places like Tata, uh, Exil, which is around 4,000 I think this share, but I didn't exactly know how much it is. But this is one integrated digital technology and design including automobile broadcast and communication. And the next one is like KPIT technologies, which is another one where we are captain. KPIT Technologies Indian multinational collaborative in Pune, Maharashtra. So this is also one of the automotive IT provide softwares for automotive companies. It not only in India, it has global presence, so we can trust it. And another one is Hind Copper, like HIND in copper, which is the major producer of copper in India. And see here, it is having support at 160 to 170. go and accumulate, friends. No problem at this levels. And the next one which you are going to see, Hindalco. So friends, the share which consolidated at here from so many days, uh, 380s. See, if you observe here, like see here, from here onwards it is just taking a bit of slow movement after a good rally. From January it is 226, January 29th, now it is near 400. See how much movement it given. That's why after results also it didn't given any ran, so it will have some consolidation, right? But it won't fall, friends. It won't fall these levels like 248, 250. These are the support ranges. If you take it, these three, 360, 370 are the support levels for this. So, friends, next one we are going to see what they are mentioning, like battery manufacturing capabilities. Friends, new capabilities are expected over medium term as lithium-ion battery cost standard 40 to 50% of raw material costation. Localization is too needed to this sector. So, friends, in this sector there are three companies like Exide, like Amaraja Batteries. Next one which you are seeing is Amaraja Batteries, and next one is like Tata Chemicals. These are the three companies which are on this sector, and government also given recently for PLI schemes for advanced chemical cell incentives. So slowly Tata Chemicals is increasing if you observe every day. And next one is lead acid and all the HBl. HBl also one of the main thing which has these lead acid batteries manufacturing, starting lightning and ignition for electric vehicles in functions in electric vehicles. And see here, it will pose a structural risk for companies such as Exide Industries and Amar Raja. What you said, this means in near term these batteries may continue to be used, but over the medium to long term lead acid batteries may be replaced by lithium ion batteries. So already Exide and Amar Raja are in plans of lithium ion manufacturing. So no problem on these two sectors. Why? Because normally these two companies having major lead acid batteries, but they are having lithium ion also. They are starting. And the next one is like component suppliers. This is also good to invest in component suppliers, but I am not that much interested on components. Why? Because we already invested in aluminum and copper and everything. So this will we didn't depend on this. But if you want, invest in Minda Corporation, which is a good one. On two wheelers, Endurance Corporation, which is a good one for two wheelers. Endurance Technology. And another one is Mothersumi. I personally pick Mothersumi, also one of the pick. And see here, from fame to government gives some good amount of deals. And this charging infrastructure we go with Tata Power. So and we are going to expect a movement. See here, they also given Tata Power, and there are some startups also in highways, tourist, low hotels. It is expect over 70% of charging needs to be by home charging, but still they are also keeping. See here, it is expecting to be 70% of charging needs will be met by home charging. So friends, this is my latest and total view on electric vehicles theme. And if you observe, there will be some missings also there, but these are the main stocks you are going to hold for long future. So thank you, friends. Thank you very much.